On June 29th, thunderstorms were already beginning to initiate along the sea breeze and began to drop copious amounts of lightning. I navigated myself to a safe spot and sent the drone up to have a peek. During periods of peak activity, lightning was striking the ground every 3 or 4 seconds. And then the headliner took the stage. Around this time, a tornado warning was issued just south of my position down near the Tampa area, and a few minutes later, I observed a funnel cloud starting to form to my south. However, the funnel never amounted to anything and was quickly overrun with outflow.